Hi everybody, it's Steve and Denise Matthews with Keller Williams Denver Tech Center. And this is the October real estate market update for the entire Denver metro area. Our good friend Cheryl at ALMC Nova Home Loans asked us to put this together for you. And you're soon going to find out that the Denver real estate market is very healthy and very vibrant right now. One of the big reasons are the interest rates. Here are the rates on Cheryl's website today, October 12th, the day I'm recording this video. As you can see, the rates are extremely good. If you have any more questions or want to check these rates out on a daily basis, you can check with Cheryl at almcmortgage.com. So let's jump into the numbers. We're going to be looking at the September numbers 2012 compared to the September numbers of 2011. It's a year-over-year comparison. And we're looking at September because September was the last full month. So the first thing I want to point out is here are all the months of the year so far. And every month we've had a positive increase in unit sales compared to last year. Now, the fact that we're having positive gains every month is always a good sign, but what's more impressive to me is we had these positive gains with record low inventory. This is the inventory right here. In September, the inventory was down 54% over a year ago. So last September, there were 28,000 plus homes for sale. In this September, there was just under 13,000 homes for sale. A 54% drop in inventory, but we still were able to achieve a 10% increase in sales over a year ago. So the buyers out there are really buyers. They're excited about buying property. I think there's a sense of urgency there. Everyone knows that the market's probably, hit its bottom, within the last 12 months, and they're wanting to get in on that good deal before prices start to go up too much. They are going up now, but the rates are really low, so you have this sense of urgency forcing buyers to get out there and buy houses, and there's not a lot of inventory out there. So a year from now, who knows what the inventory levels will be. Maybe a lot of those sellers that have been sitting on the fence will realize it's time to get their house on the market. And we could have a flip in the spring of record high inventory. And it'll be interesting to see what that does to prices and sales. But right now, it's an extremely good time to sell a house. And it's a good time to buy one too, because the trend seems to be heading up now, not in the other direction. And that's really nice to be able to say that. It's been about 4 years since we could say that. So let's take a look at some of these year-on-year statistics. We just talked about the inventory, 54% down. The median sold price in the Denver metro area is up 14% over a year ago. A year ago, people were getting 207, and this year they're getting 237. The median list price is also up 20%, or almost 20%. A year ago, people were asking $259.9. This year, they're asking $310. The price per square foot, which I think is a pretty good indicator, is up 11%. 107 versus 119 this year. The sold price to original price. This is a number that seems to get more accurate when the market starts to get healthy. It's been really hard for sellers to price their homes in this tough market, and so they were pricing their homes too high, even though they didn't think they were high, and they were only getting 92% of what they were listing their house for. Now with the market becoming healthier, it's easier to be more accurate with your pricing, and they're getting 95% of what they listed their house for. So that's a nice bump. The average days on market is always a great indicator of a healthy market, and it went down 39%. A year ago, it was taking 98 days to sell a house. and this year only 59 days. And then months of supply. This is a really good indicator that tells you how healthy a market is. A 6-month supply is considered a balanced market. Well, a year ago, it was a buyer's market with 8.1 months of supply. This year, it's complete opposite. It is a seller's market with only 3.4 months of supply. So, what are the price points that are hot right now? Well, right here, 200 to 250 represents 16% of the market. 250 to 300 represents 13% of the market. And 300 to 400 represents 16% of the market. So a huge chunk of the market is right here in these three price points. But even the 400 to 500 is healthy. It's 7.3% of the market. And then once you get over 500, it drops down considerably to only 1.9% of the market. But if you've got a home right in the sweet spot here, from say 140 to 400, there's a lot of buyers out there just waiting for you to sell your house. I hope you found this information helpful. And like I said earlier, this is a broad market view of the entire Denver metro area. If you would like a specific targeted analysis like this of your neighborhood, please contact me. You can find my contact information at my website, steveanddenise.com. Our emails are there, our phone number's there. Here's a phone number for us, 303-395-3470. We'd love to hear from you, and we'd love to put together something like this for you for your specific neighborhood. If you have any loan or financing needs, please contact Cheryl at ALMC Mortgage at Nova Home Loans. She's the best lender in the Denver market, and I can tell you that with complete confidence. And here's her daily rates available every day on our website. So if you're just curious what the rates are, just go to almcmortgage.com and get a quick overview of the rates. We'll see you next month. Thanks.